Hi, it's the Rawesome Vegan Gal here, and today I'm continuing my series of videos for a company called OraWellness, and I will have a link below to their website to check out all about them. Amazing brand, amazing people, company, doing all about your oral health, which is very important. It affects your whole body. So I'm continuing to talk about each individual product that I've been using, and actually it's already been now 2 months since I'm using the products. So today I'm going to be talking about Shine, which is their remineralizing tooth whitening powder, natural tooth defense. This is their mint. They also, I think, have another flavor, cinnamon, and this says it's can average 200 uses. It is not vegan. I am vegan, but I was, a little skeptical at first to use it, but then knowing that I'm actually not swallowing it because there were some other issues, then I was okay with it. But I hope that they will be able to find a way to make a vegan one that's comparable in the ingredients as far as allowing for the remineralization, because there's certain things here. The MCHA from the New Zealand grass-fed cattle, that's the one that's from animal-based. The xylitol is okay. That's from non-GMO birch base. It's another one for remineralizing. And the third ingredient that also helps with it is calcium lactate, which is non-dairy source. So the only issue is from the cattle. So I know they mentioned that they're trying to find something, but they haven't as yet. So I hope it'll happen soon. So just to kind of go over this again, so it's other than that, it's gluten-free, it's paleo, non-GMO, fluoride-free as well. Like I said, I've been using the products now for 2 months, and again, I'm going to talk at the end, like I'm going to do what I call my wrap-up video, where I'm going to actually take you through how I use it on a daily basis. And right now, I can't say that it's done anything as far as remineralization, simply because I haven't had a dental checkup. I mean, I've had one, but they haven't actually looked at, because there were some minor things going on with my teeth before that might have needed fillings, and I'm trying to avoid that. So I'm going this route, and I hope and pray, God willing, that it will actually do what it's supposed to do. And I just have to keep on it and keep using it. So it's definitely has many different ways it can be used. Also, to tell you, it also has some other ingredients that's nice. It has peppermint, spearmint, Himalayan salt, menthol. I didn't actually taste any of that, because, so to speak, when I was using the product. But just to show you, too, what the container looks like. It's in glass, which is nice, too, and it's amber glass, so that protects it as well. So that's what the container looks like. And then they also sell it in like a refill size, so if you get that, it'll last longer, and then you could actually transfer it into this jar as well. And they say, too, you should keep it moisture free, so I actually don't leave it in the bathroom. I leave all my dental products out. I mean, I'll reiterate all this as well. And then it has a little it came with a little wooden spoon that I actually keep in the little plastic or non-plastic packaging from the toothbrush. So yeah, I mean, people have actually, so many people have given their testimonials, and they have even one on the packaging that their dentists tell them they don't have another cavity since using this. It doesn't say how long. So it definitely has a lot of benefits because of the ingredients that they choose to put in and they choose to leave out. Makes a difference. And it's also supposed to be whitening to the teeth. I don't know if I have seen that effect yet. Everything has to give time. I mean, I don't have teeth like from staining from using, drinking certain things. Some people drink a lot of coffee, tea, different things that stain the teeth a lot. So I don't have that issue, but I'm looking forward to see whether it will make my teeth, appear whiter or not, because they're not, as you say, pearly whites. I mean, I'm not imagining that that's going to happen exactly the way, you see people with some of them on, like, if you see people like that have their teeth done or something, they whiten them. So I don't want to use any kind of a chemical. I'd rather do it the natural way. And if it takes longer, so be it. And if it actually doesn't make it as white as, maybe I'd like, or it's not an issue for me. I care more about the health of my teeth The oral health, like I said, is very important because it affects the whole body, because bacteria can infiltrate through your teeth into your body, and I've seen that with people, and even in my family, that they have more health issues in the body, and it relates to their teeth because they aren't taking care of them. So that's important too. So I think it's very important to consider. So yeah, I mean, it's definitely a great product for what it is, as far as what it's meant to do and help you with your teeth, to get them healthier. And even if you are vegan like me, consider it, because you're not actually swallowing it, and you're just using it, on your teeth, and then you spit it out afterwards. So I definitely would recommend it. Again, when I get to the point where maybe I will have some, significant results, or my dental checkups, they tell me, oh wow, you had this thing and now it's not there anymore, then I could kind of report that and give you kind of a timeline of how long it took for me. And it all depends. Everybody's different. If you have, a cavity or something that might need attention, it depends how far gone it is, whether it could change. That doesn't mean it can't with using Shine. So it all depends, and all depends on your mindset too. If you have a positive mindset that it's gonna work, it's gonna get better, and you're not just gonna quote unquote cave in to having to get a filling done, because it's better if you could just remineralize your tooth than to go that route as far as the health of your teeth, because then they're putting in different materials on your teeth, and nothing's perfect. So it's better if you can actually do your own proactive wellness, and try out this product. So again, yeah, I definitely think you should try this out if you have not as yet. It's OraWellness Shine. It's remineralizing tooth whitening powder, so it's used in place of toothpaste. Some people use the toothpaste, so it's a little different in getting used to how it works. So, but definitely I recommend you trying it out, and I thank you for watching. It's the Rawesome Vegan Gal.